Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a FabFitFun unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription service. Usually includes beauty and lifestyle, home things. Sometimes there's some fitness things in here. There's a little bit of everything. The box retails for $49.99 every quarter, but the box is almost always valued at least $300. Usually closer to $350. What I like about FabFitFun is the fact that even if I don't keep everything in here, the products in here are nice gifts and they're not cheap or cheesy looking gifts. It's not like giving someone a mini lipstick from another subscription service. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but sometimes I feel bad giving gifts from things that come in subscription boxes, and I don't when I give something from FabFitFun because they are full-sized and they're nice products. So this is the winter box, and we're going to see what's in it. I kind of know, but I kind of don't. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys want to see what's in the winter FabFitFun box for 2018, then just keep watching. So this box is adorable. It's a really cute mailer, and as you can tell, it's a large box. I did cut the tape, but I didn't open it yet, so. And then inside it says Find Your Cozy, FabFitFun. It has a, oh, the paper's all torn. Oh. It has a magazine, and in here is where you will find info about the products, the prices, and then some of the other options, because the boxes are becoming more customizable, and I will talk about that when we get to it. So this part right here tells us what's in the box. The green boxes right here are in every box. All members get the chance to customize these kind of lavender boxes, and then the select members can choose items from the lilac colors. And I think if you are a select member is when you have paid for the annual subscription up front, so you can customize your box even more. There are some, oh, it's all torn, but I didn't open it. Okay, what is this? This is Share the Love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off the first box. Oh, okay. There's a code. I'll put the code in the description box or on the screen. I'm not sure if it's one-time use or if more than one person can use it. So if you try to use it and it doesn't work, it must be one-time use. But I'll put the code on the screen, and then you get $10 off your first box. So you would be getting your first box for $39.99. There's a gift card for HelloFresh, which I've used in the past, and I love HelloFresh, for $20 off your first 3 deliveries. That's exciting. And then all of the goodies. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, what do we want first? The first thing is from the brand Black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. There are 5 eye masks in here. Let's see what this says. Black Hydrogel Eye Mask. Is your under eye area swollen or puffy? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before pulling it off, and this retails for $29. I use these. I don't often notice that they are super effective, but I do use them, so I will give these a whirl. The next thing, and that is in everyone's box. I'll just talk about the things that are in everyone's box first. The next is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Oh, it's a hydrating skin mask. That's interesting. There aren't often hydrating masks in boxes. There's a lot of detoxifying, purifying, mattifying. This is the Hydration Cream Mask powered by Osmotor. Infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. Oh, and you can leave it on all night, or just leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see. This retails for $33. You can use it as a 3-minute mask or an overnight sleeping mask. Enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. I don't need intense hydration, so that kind of scares me, but I also kind of want to try it. It's got really beautiful packaging too. And then the last thing that everyone got in their box is from Thrive Cosmetics. The Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. Infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes, and this retails for $24. I have heard so much about Thrive Cosmetics lately, and I know that they donate a product to a woman in need for every product that you purchase, because that's in their name, Thrive Cosmetics. They're champions for causes and things like that, which is awesome. But I've never tried anything from Thrive Cosmetics, and their packaging is also beautiful. I don't like really use colors like this that often, and there's a sharpener on the end, but it's very sheer. It's, yeah, I mean, we'll try it. Apply above and below eyebrows for an instant lift. Oh wait, it's not an eyeshadow? Oh, you can, okay, to use, apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes, so you can use it anywhere. It feels extremely lightweight, like I can't feel where the product is on my hand, you know, so it's a very lightweight product, which is cool. Now, let's just look at other things. What is this? Oh. My box just had my computer and I thought someone was at my door. Okay. The next is from Elevate. This is 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. And this is a Way of Will Elevate essential oils. This retails for $31. These oils can be applied directly onto the skin, unlike typical essential oils. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. I think I'm the last person in the world to not fully jump on the essential oils bandwagon. It's not that I don't want to use them, I just forget, and I don't want like a bunch of little oil vials all around my house. However, I do, I mean, I just like the smell of eucalyptus anyway. There's the little eucalyptus. And they do come wrapped in a little foam thing in here. Sweet orange. Smells like oranges. That's cool. That's definitely not something that I would have purchased. It's very useful. And even if you don't use essential oils, I know you know someone who does, because they're everywhere. The other thing that you could have gotten is the Anthropology and Merci and Co. Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. And I need another bite of cream like I need a hole in the head, so I'm glad I got those. Alright, next we have something from Bite Beauty. Ooh. This is a select member thing, so if I was a select member I could have chosen between this or a 4-piece coaster set or some body sliders. And I would have used neither of those things. So this is the High Impact Lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and it retails for $26. Bite Beauty lip products, particularly their lipsticks, are so comfortable. They are, ooh, that's nice. They smell just delicious. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty universal color, so that's awesome. And I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. My only complaint about Bite Beauty lipsticks, which is a pro but sort of a con, is they're made with food grade ingredients, so they expire faster because there aren't as many preservatives in the lipsticks, and so you know, need to use them up before they expire, which I am terrible at. Hold this box down. I don't have a table. I'm using my lap as my table. Next products are items that all members get the option to customize, so the periwinkle color. And the item that is in mine is the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Roller, which is pretty exciting because I don't think that I would buy a jade roller for my, oh no. Oh no, is it broken? I need scissors. I don't think I would buy a jade roller for myself, but I'm really interested in trying one. This is kind of awesome, but I hope it's not broken. Oh, it's broken. broken. Oh no. Oh, it's so sad. Oh, it's really heavy and nice. I'm going to email them because I think I've gotten broken things in the past and they're usually pretty good about setting up replacements. I don't know. There's like pieces, tiny pieces, you can't see those, tiny pieces missing, so I wouldn't really trust gluing it back together because there are chunks missing. Oh, that's so sad. But, oh, it's very cooling. It says, it's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. Oh, that's a fabulous word, an empress. The jade roller helps stimulate I'm not sure, energy, and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. Gently wipe clean with an alcohol pad after each use. And this retails for $45. I'm so bummed that it's broken. Anyway, so there's a small side for probably doing around like the contours of your nose and, you know, I don't know. And then this guy. Oh wow, just like tiny pieces just keep falling off. Okay, we're gonna put that back. And I'll email them. I think the product came broken like years ago. And I emailed them and I can't remember if they gave me a credit or emailed a replacement. I'm pretty sure they emailed a replacement, so we're going to email them and we'll see, and I will update on the screen what they do. The other options were the richer, poorer Reina over-the-knee textured socks, which retail for $24, or the Pure Be Your Selfie palette, which retails for $36. That's a beautiful looking palette. Pretty. Next we have the Lily Sadowi silver circle necklace. How gorgeous is this necklace? It's a minimalistic yet statement-making piece with its dainty silver-plated brass chain and chic silver-plated circle pendant. It retails for $49. The other options were in a Halston jewelry portfolio, which retails for $48, or the Orbe Gold Lust dry shampoo for $44. I think I'm the only person in the world who doesn't like Orbe products, but I'm not a hair person. The products smell fantastic, but they're really expensive, and I don't like how they work in my hair. I've never tried that, I guess. Maybe that one's amazing. Alright, where are you? Oh, cute. Oh, that's really cute. It's like, it's much bigger than I guess I thought it was going to be. That's cute though. This will look fantastic with my Red Wings shirt. So like, I'm gonna dress up for you guys. It does have this looks like a 4-inch extender. It's a long extender. I'm gonna put it as short as possible. Does it say how long the chain is? No. But that's what it looks like. And it's super lightweight. That's cute. And I'm gonna be honest, I've never heard of this brand. That's another thing I like about FabFitFun is the brands that they include aren't run-of-the-mill brands. Some of them are brands that you've heard of, like Ahava and Bite Beauty, Thrive Cosmetics, Pure Cosmetics, things like that. But they're also including almost more high-end, kind of, in my opinion, boutique brands that you maybe wouldn't just find them at the stores you normally shop at least not any of the stores that I normally shop at. So I think that's kind of fun too, because it's introducing you to new brands that you might really love at a much cheaper price. And I mean cheaper in a good way. Okay, next we have the Bare Paw Live Life Comfortably headband and pop top glove duo. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, this is so soft inside. It's Sherpa lined. This ultra soft 100% polyester Sherpa lined headband and fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season long, and this retails for $45. Have you guys ever seen that Lonely Island video with Julian Casablancas? And he's like, and everyone was wearing fingerless gloves. I can't remember which one it's called. I love Lonely Island. They're so inappropriate but so funny. And everyone was wearing fingerless gloves. These are cute. And then they've got there's a little button to keep the little flap. And just a couple little mittens. And I'm not going to put the headband on because it's probably going to make my hair really staticky. Well, I'll do it anyway. I mean, my hair looks awesome today, so. Oh, it also feels cozy like this. I look like a nun! Whatever. Oh, anyway, these will for sure get used. I'm pretty excited about these. And did I say how much these retail for? $45. The other thing that was an option is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask, which retails for $49. And then the last thing in here, which is in everyone's box, is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in Gray Ivory or Natural Ivory. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool fringe detailing, and this retails for $49. This is a hand wash, lay flat to dry type of item. I don't want to unwrap this because I might give this to my mom because she, oh my gosh, she has been wanting a wrap. But it's a, is it a throw? Is it a wrap? Oh, it's a throw. My dog's gonna ruin this. So. Anyway, I'm not gonna open this because I might gift this to someone. This is really soft and it's really beautiful. I just know my dog is totally going to destroy this. But I'm not ready for that. Do you guys get FabFitFun? If you get FabFitFun, I need to turn my chair. If you get FabFitFun, let me know what variations you received in your box. If you don't get FabFitFun and you're interested in subscribing, it is quarterly, so you will get the that code for $10 off your first box will be listed on the screen and in the description box, so you can copy and paste. Like I mentioned, I'm not sure if it's one-time use or if multiple people can use it. So if multiple people can't use it, there are lots of influencer codes around. I think CoffeeBreakWithDani has one. I think Jessica Braun has one, and Andrea Matillano. I believe they all have one. So if I remember, I will link their codes down below too. And I don't think those are affiliate codes. They're just $10 off codes. Let me know what you guys got in your box if you got this box, or if you have used any of these products. What are your thoughts? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.